In this video, I'll guide you through how to search in Microsoft Loop so you can quickly find the work and content you need without scrolling around or clicking through endless pages. Let's start right at the beginning by opening Microsoft Loop. Depending on how you usually access it, this might be through your web browser by going to the Loop website or by opening it from your Microsoft 365 apps if it's pinned there. Give it a moment to load and you should see your workspaces, pages, and components appear. Before we jump into searching, it's helpful to know that Loop organizes your work into workspaces, and inside those workspaces are pages and individual pieces of content. The search feature is designed to look across all of that for you. Once Loop is open, look toward the top of the screen for the search bar. It's usually easy to spot near the top navigation area. Click directly into that search bar. As soon as you click it, Loop knows you're about to look for something specific, and it may even show recent items or suggestions depending on your activity. Now, think about what you're trying to find. This could be the name of a page, the title of a workspace, or even a word or phrase that appears somewhere in your content. Start typing those keywords into the search bar. Try to use words that are actually in the title or body of what you're looking for. For example, if you're looking for a planning document, you might type a part of its name or a distinctive word you remember from it. As you type, Loop will begin pulling up matching results automatically. While you're entering your keywords, pay attention to how the search results update underneath the search bar. You'll typically see a list of items that match what you typed. These might include workspaces, individual pages, or specific Loop components. Take a moment to scan the list rather than clicking the first thing you see. Look at the titles and, if available, any small preview text or additional context shown next to each result. This helps you be sure you're choosing the right item, especially if you have similar names across different projects. When you spot the item you were looking for, simply click it in the search results. Loop will immediately open that workspace, page, or content for you. From there, you can pick up your work, review information, or make edits just like you normally would. If it's not the one you wanted, you can go back to the search bar, refine your keywords, and try again. Sometimes adding an extra word, like a project name or date, helps narrow things down. Over time, using search in Microsoft Loop becomes a quick habit. Instead of navigating through multiple workspaces and pages, you can jump straight to what you need by opening Loop, clicking the search bar at the top, typing meaningful keywords, and selecting the right item from the results. This simple workflow can save you a lot of time and keep your focus on the work itself rather than hunting for where that work is stored.